Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel and it's the fungus season again sa ating mga succulents. And I have here yung ating Linardine at saka yung variegated Awayuki. Ayan, napakadaming fungus. And so I decided na i-treat sila today kasi it's already the dry season, tag-init na dito sa Pilipinas, and if you are thinking na pag nasa Baguio ka, hindi na magkakaroon ng fungus yung ating mga succulents or plants, but that's actually wrong, diba? So if you have watched yung ating video before nung nagpunta tayo sa Botanical Garden, yung mga succulents na naka-rain or shine area, nagkaroon sila ng mga powdery mildew or fungal diseases, and same as true with our succulents na naka-rain or shine. So here, ayan, we will be spraying directly itong contact fungicide na ito sa kanila in order for us to save them. Kasi if papabayaan natin, talagang malalagas isa-isa yung kanyang dahon and kakalat pa siya lalo dito sa ating succulent. And itong Linardine na ito at saka yung ating variegated Awayuki are those succulents na medyo pricey and nag-iisa lang talaga sila sa ating collection. I haven't propagated them yet kaya we will do our best to save them as early as now. Ayan. So, after natin siyang sprayan, ilalagay lang muna natin siya sa isang parang airy na bright shaded area. So, I have also sprayed our contact fungicide dito nga sa ating ghost plant. Ayan, yung ating mga fungus sa kanyang leaves. So, hindi pa naman ganun kalala, but, diba, mas maganda nga if we will prevent it as early as now. Ayan, so, ganyan na yung itsura ng ating ghost plant. And right next to it is yung ating ghost tea. So, it looks okay, pero ayan o, nakikita nyo ba yung parang powdery mildew spots or black spots na yan? Those are actually fungus. Ayan. So, even if na maganda yung air circulation nga dito sa ating rooftop, it's not really a guarantee na hindi na sila magkakaroon ng fungus. So, how much more if nasa kulob sila na area. Kaya it's best to check on your succulents from time to time, lalo na ngayon na masyadong mainit and humid. Kasi, syempre, we have to prevent it from damaging completely yung ating mga succulents. Isa sa mga succulents na laging nagkakaroon ng fungus is itong ating Darly Sunshine. So, tag-init man yan or even rainy season, from time to time nagkakaroon talaga siya ng fungus sa kanya, specifically yung ating powdery mildew. Kaya I always need to treat itong ating Darly Sunshine. Parang all year round talagang part na yun ng kanyang maintenance. So if you can remember before, nag-spray rin tayo doon sa ating Beyonce na succulent. And after a few days, nag-dry yung ating contact fungicide and naging ganito yung kanyang itsura. And right now, I'm so happy to show you na this is already an update sa kanya. So maybe a lot of you don't want to use yung mga fungicides na talagang naglalagay or nagiiwan ng stain sa leaves ng ating mga succulents. But you have to remember na temporary lang naman yung stains na yon sa ating mga succulents. So as you can see here, yung ating Beyonce, there's no any evidence na naglagay tayo ng contact fungicide sa kanya. Kasi from time to time, pag umuulan naman or nagdidilig kayo, nababasa yung leaves nila and definitely nawawash off na din yung blue stains na nakakapit sa kanilang mga leaves. Kaya itong mga blue stains that we are seeing right now sa ating ghost plant will definitely fade away in time, lalo na at nasa rain or shine area sila. So pag umulan, naturally mawawash off lahat yang mga yan, including itong ating Linardine here. Ayan, so kumbaga overnight na natin silang pinatuyo, kaya makikita nyo naman diba na dry na sila as compared yesterday nung bagong spray pa lang tayo. Ayan, so I'm just trying to show you yung iba nating mga succulents na inisprayan ko din. This is our Sedum Burrito. Napansin nyo kasi nagkakaroon na siya ng mga black spots na ganyan and dumadami siya over time. Kumakalat siya sa iba't ibang leaves nung ating sidong burrito, and so I don't want naman na malagas itong ating burrito kasi talagang kumbaga pinaghirapan natin na i-maintain yung ganitong itsura niya. So sayang naman if mawawala siya sa atin. Here are our succulents enjoying yung ating full sunlight. Ayan sila. So I think mga January nag-apply ako ng systemic fungicide sa kanila. So I do it every 6 months. So twice a year yung ating systemic fungicide. Lahat ng mga yan naka-systemic fungicide sila. And then pag just in case nagkaroon nga sila ng fungus, then doon tayo nag-a-apply nga nung ating contact fungicide. So ganun yung ginagamit ko. So kumbaga dalawang fungicide yung ginagamit ko to maintain itong ating mga succulents, and it's really working fine for me naman. So dito sa area na to are those succulents na bagong dating lang sa atin. It's nice na magkakasama sila so that they won't really kumbaga affect yung iba nating mga succulents na matagal na sa ating rooftop. Dito sa baba are the propagations that we did. Ayan, so I think that's just a quick update nung ating fungus sa ating mga succulents. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.